Hello, in front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Haylou Phone application on our phone. In the app, we can tap on the My Smart Devices, select the Haylou GST from the list, and here on the device page, find the option called Message Notice and tap on it. Now we need to allow the required permissions for the notifications to work, so let's allow them. Then tap on Confirm, and we need to allow the notification access, so let's tap on Haylou Phone, tap on the switch, tap on Allow, tap on Back button to go back to the app. And now we can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch, like this. You can also customize for which apps you want to, or from which apps you want to receive the notifications on your watch. You can enable the apps or disable them, as you can see, like that. And once you've done customizing your notification settings, you can go back. And also on the device page for your Haylou GST, find the incoming call notice option. And if you want to get the notice about incoming calls on your phone, or rather on your watch, you can tap on the switch right here to enable this option and allow the required permissions. And now when somebody calls you on your phone, you should get the notification on your watch, and also it should display the caller ID. Okay. At this point, we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch, so I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Let me open the Discord, for example, just to check. Okay, so we're getting the messages, so let's try again. Oh, now we got it. We got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. You can check the notification, you can remove it if you want to, and if you miss them by any, for example, you can wake up the screen on your watch, swipe upwards on the screen to open the menu, find the option called Notice and tap on it, and here you can check your notifications. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.